Okay. All right, so you should have your dollar bills ready. So I'll give you some dollar amounts and I want you to try to give it to me. So just like yesterday when we were discussing the dollar amounts, I told you guys that they're similar to when we did coins, okay? They're similar. So with ones, you count by one, fives, you count by fives, tens, you count by tens, and the 20s, I told you 20s are like counting by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, okay? So let's go ahead and do our first amount. So have your money aside. And I ask you for our, so we'll start pretty simple. Okay. So you have to count it in order to get it, okay? All right, so let's try. Let's do something easy. Let's start with $4.
Okay, really?
Okay, show me $4. It's pretty easy. $4. $4. Stop looking around. Okay, when you get it, just hold it up. Let me see. Okay. Okay, good, Asa. Yep. Okay, so $4 is pretty easy. I've seen someone going for a 10. I don't know why, but $4 is how many ones? 4 ones. $4. Pretty easy. Okay, you can put it back.
Really? I have $1 million. Say don't. They don't. I have $90.
How big is it?
Oh,
Okay, so
real money. Real money.
we already discussed that yesterday. I don't know why you feel the need to repeat the same thing over and over again. Okay, so this was our $4. 4 ones, okay? Let's do another amount. We're gonna go up a little bit. Up from $4. Okay, so guys, let's see. All right, let's try $7. $7. Show me $7.
Okay. I know how to add this up.
Okay.
Oh my God.
$7. Okay, got you. Y'all can put it down. Good. $7. $7. Let me see, Asa, turn it the other way. Okay, good. Wait, hold on, pick it back up. Okay, that's 12. That's 10, then 11, 12. That's 5, 10, 15. Guys, after you get it, you count it. Okay? You count it. $7. You count it to yourself, and then if you count it, you're gonna say, yeah, I don't know if that's 7. 7.
These are ones, so I should get this. I don't know.
That's not 7 though.
Wait.
Okay, Kendall, I see your 7. That's it? Nobody else? Okay. So 7, guys. So we could have started with a 5. 5, and then we use our ones to finish. 6, 7, 5. So guys, you go. So okay, the answer was 7. We knew we wouldn't have enough ones, so you go to the next large bill, which would be the 5. 5, and then you count how many more ones you would need to finish 7. So if you did 10, that would have been too much, right? That's more. So then you need to go down to 5 and finish the rest with ones. Okay. Also, I seen someone grab 3 5s. If you counted those 3 5s, you would have known that was 5, 10, 15. Way too much money. So yeah. Okay, let's try again. We're gonna go up a little more. So let's try $13. So find your largest one that can get you closer to 13. Give it to her. Because see, you were asking who it was for. Got you.
Wait.
Okay. Count that yourself and tell me that's 13. If you didn't count it, don't show it to me.
Yep, I count mine.
It's the same way how you count coins. It's the same exact way. You count it the same way. Let me see, Asa. Okay, it's a little too much. Okay, so those 2 tens would give you $20. That's 10, 20. That's too much. So
I just got 1 10 and then I'll add the rest of the one.
which dollar bill will bring you closer to the 13?
Oh, I
That's 12. So you did another one. No, you did another one. You had it right. You just need another one. Okay, so 13, guys. Okay, so 5 could have got me there, but I would have need to add another 5. So that would have been 10. But we're going to focus on this. So 10 is how we get there. Then we need 13. So then we say 11, 12, $13. 10 and 3 ones. Okay, let's do another one.
Please don't tell me you're gonna do it.
Let's try $9.
Oh!
$9.
Me too. Don't show them. They don't have it. That's how it's supposed to do. She goes to John Lee. You know what last day? Yesterday. So, you see? We all did it. Right? You don't think the same? Whoever did it, people went and not. Whoever did it, they went. I yes. Press not like this. Look, yeah, because it's too little. Thing. How about this? It just says not white.
Right after there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see 9.
Now?
That's a 5? Oh, okay. 9. Let's see. Okay, good, Asa. Okay, so we should add 5. If we would have tried to do 10, that would have been too much. So 5, finish with 1s. 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Yes.
All right, let's do one more. We'll make this one a little challenging.
Oh,
No, definitely not. But let's do $27. 27.
27? It's gonna be the best thing. Oh, that's good, that's good. When it's snowing, baby, that's good. So,
Hey, chill.
sorry. I go over too much. I got it. It's cool. $20. Now I don't. So I had 20. It's 27. Yeah, 27. I add a 10 and then 2 ones. Look. I got it. I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Mhm.
Wow. You made that picture.
2020, 2021. Who did?
All right, so 27. It seems like we kind of had some issues with that. Okay, so of course we know we need a 20.
Yep.
Okay, a 5 would do 25. Then 2 ones, 26, 27. All right, we're gonna work on this.
Yeah.
We're gonna work on this some more so we can get it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and put your money up.
Oh.
All right, let's go ahead and look at the board. You'll need your books. We have like 2 other things to cover today. But we'll get our book after. Let's cover the board. All right, so last week we discussed comparison symbols. We use comparison symbols to compare 2 numbers to one another. We have greater than, less than, and equal to as our symbols. So 6, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 9? Less. Less than is like the L, it's pointing to the left, less than. 14, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 12?
Greater.
Greater, it is greater. Pointing to the right. And 3, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 3?
Equal.
It is
Equal.
equal to 3.
Bigger.
All right, 48 plus 10. What I'm asking is, can I get 10 more than 48? That would be what?
58.
58. 63 plus 10. 10 more than 63 would be, Cairo? 73. Then 75 plus 10. What I'm asking is 10 more than 75?
85.
85. So now minus, same thing. 61 minus 10. That's 10 less than 61. Asa?
51.
51. 37 minus 10. That's 10 less than 37. 27 and 98 minus 10, that's 10 less than 98. Is 9 the 90s.
88.
88. Good. So you counting by tens with the number 8. All right. So guys, when we've been practicing our math facts, adding numbers, we usually add our math facts like this. We'll do 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 7 equals 10. We're used to adding 2 numbers, but what we're going to introduce today is adding 3 numbers at one time. Okay? So I'll show you guys what that will look like and how to do that. So say if instead of our regular adding 2 numbers, 2 digits at a time facts, we're going to add 3 digits. So say if I did 3 plus 1 plus 4. Okay? So there's a way we can add this up. 3 plus 1 plus 4. So the best way to do it is to break it down to make it easier to add. Okay? So what we do is we start with our first 2, which will be 3 plus 1. I'll draw a triangle like this to connect them. 3 plus 1, and that equals 4. Then I'm going to cross it out because I added those 2. All I have left is to add the what?
4.
So then I'm going to draw an arrow to show 4 plus 4, and that equals
8.
So 3 plus 1 plus 4 equals 8. Let me show you another one. Let's do 9 plus 0 plus 4. So same thing. I start with the first 2. I draw a triangle to connect them. Guys, when you're going to be adding them, this is how I want it to look. That's why I'm showing you how to do it this way. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. Then we cross this out. Then we draw an arrow to show 9 plus 4. And that equals 13. Okay? So go ahead and get out your math book. I think it's page 114, if I'm not mistaken. Not unnecessary. Lesson worksheet 114, I think. All right, let me see. It might be 13. No. Well, before we do that, can you go to this page for me? This one here, lesson 112A. I need to show you how to do this bottom part real quick. Go to 112A for me first. Let's pause there for a second. Let me show you how to do this real quick. All right, so guys, just go to the bottom of that page. I just want to show you real quick how to do that because it's something different. Let me see this. It's something different from what we're used to doing. So we will add the regular facts up here like normal, but here you can see that it's asking you to write it as well. So it has write, say, it's just telling you how to do it. Okay? So the fact is 5 plus 3 equals 8. So what you're going to do is draw that fact. 5 plus 3 equals 8. But I just want to show you how to do it right because every year people write it the wrong way. So the fact is 5 plus 3 equals 8. That's the fact. So what you're gonna do is on this part, you're gonna write the same thing. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, that's what you're gonna do. So do that one time. You have to write it smaller. You can't even fit it.
Oh,
Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. You're just writing it what it looks like. 5 plus 3 is 8. Y'all don't need to look on the book. It's in the book. Then you write it 3 times. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then they want you to do it one more time. So that's it. Because you write it like that. 5 plus 3. You raise that 5. It's too big. What's wrong, Carol? Let me see this. You're writing it like that.
I'm showing you the picture.
Let me see. Not too big. You're not gonna be able to fit it all. You're writing too big.
I got it.
Okay. Hey, so let me see. Have you wrote it? The 5 plus 3 equals 8.
It looks like this. No.
Okay, no. 5 plus 3 goes on the side, not on the bottom. The bottom is a different fact. That's 7 plus 5. So write it on the side of one another.
Eight young. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. You're not. Side of the stable line or on the other line?
Huh?
Do you mean on the side like the side where I just wrote or the side on the other line?
On the side, right here. On the other line. So on the side. You went down here. That's a different fact down here. You gotta go on the side. So you write it right here and then on the side. I know you see me grab it. Stop playing. Okay, all right. So go ahead, guys. Let's go to the page we were originally going to. It should be lesson worksheet 114. Find that page. Lesson worksheet 114. It'll have adding 3 numbers and then it'll have some circles in the middle of it. Let me see.
114.
Yeah, it should be lesson worksheet 114. Yep, that's it. Let me see.
No.
Okay, so lesson worksheet. This is it. A, fill the page.
Not really Big bang.
All right, so let's go ahead and add up these. So you'll have to turn your book a little bit to find number A, letter A. That's where we'll start, letter A. Yeah, you'll have to turn the book to kind of add it up. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. So remember the steps. I'm gonna keep it up so that we make sure we're doing it right. All right, so the first fact we're adding is 3 plus 2 plus 2. Hold on 1 second. 3 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my first addition fact, which will be 3 plus 2. So let's do that. Draw the arrow like that. 3 plus 2. Okay, and what does 3 plus 2 equal?
5.
5. So put 5 down here like that. 5. Then cross out 3 plus 2 because we added that already and we don't want to add it again because we already added those two numbers. Now all we have left is plus 2. So from here, we'll draw an arrow from 5 to the plus 2 to show that we're now going to add 5 plus 2. And what would our answer be? 5 plus 2 equals?
7.
Put your 7 in that box. Okay, so 3 plus 2 equals 7.
Now that was easy.
All right, let's go to B. B is 1 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 8 plus 2. Okay, so what are we adding first?
1 plus 8.
Let's draw an arrow to connect 1 plus 8. And that equals what? 9. 9.
Yeah, 1 plus 9. 1 plus 8 plus 2.
And then draw an arrow to show 9 plus 2. Oh, sorry, cross out 1 plus 8. I bet I skipped that. Cross out 1 plus 8. And then let's draw an arrow from 9 to the 2 to show that we're doing 9 plus 2, and that equals what?
11.
11. Okay, all right, try C. Try C by yourself. Don't give an answer, please. All right, so let me see if we did the steps right. Okay, so 2 plus 5 plus 3. What should my answer be?
10.
10. You got 2 plus 5 is 7, but then you gotta add that 7 to that 3. It should have been 10.
Yeah,
You did put 10. I don't know why you said 7.
I wrote 10.
Okay, good. All right, so guys, if you have to turn your book back up. Now, look at those. Those are a little different from how we've been adding the rest of them, but I'm going to show you how we do this. If it's standing up that way, you do the same exact thing. Nothing really changes. Look at here on the board first. So say if I was adding 2 plus 3 plus 5, okay? So it's the same exact steps. I start with my top 2. 2 plus 3, I draw the triangle like this now. So I don't remember us writing. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then from here, I'm going to connect the 5 to the last number. Oh, cross these out. Then I'm going to connect 5 to the 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So it's the same exact steps. It's just we're doing it a different way, different direction. You understand? All right, so let's do D. 1 plus 8 plus 9. So 1 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, what are we adding first?
1 plus 8.
1 plus 8. So let's draw a triangle connecting 1 plus 8. Okay, what does 1 plus 8 equal? 9. 9 here. Cross out 1 plus 8. We added that already. So now I connect 9 plus what? 9, and that equals?
18.
18. All right, go ahead and do the last 2 by yourself. Do the last 2. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we have 3 plus 6 would equal what?
9.
Okay, and then 9 plus 4 will be
11.
13. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, and then F, 5 plus 2 plus 4. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and then 7 plus 4 is
11.
11. Good. So guys, that's how we add 3 numbers. You will start to see this in your book. These are the steps you follow to add those up. Okay. All right, let's move on to our letters book. You can go to page 83. You can get started on page 83. Page 83 in your letters book. This week we're learning how to abbreviate our days of the week. So I put 4. Let me put 5. So I have 5 days of the week here that I want you to practice abbreviating. So remember, how do we abbreviate? We have to put what first?
The capital.
No, that's not. You started with the what? Capital letter. You started with the capital letter. After you write the capital letter, you then put the first 3 letters. And how do you finish it? With the
dot.
So you can go ahead and abbreviate these 5 days of the week. So let's go ahead and abbreviate. So Sunday, how would I abbreviate Sunday? What would I write? Braylee? Capital S-U-N dot. Good. Friday. Capital F-R-I dot. Okay, Tuesday. How would I abbreviate Tuesday? Caro? Capital T-U-E dot. Saturday. How would I abbreviate Saturday?
Capital A and capital S-A-T.
Capital S-A-T dot. And Monday. Asa, how would I abbreviate Monday?
M-O-N dot.
Capital M-O-N dot. Good. All right, awesome. All right, so that's it for our morning Zoom. Asa will come back for phonics and reading later on this afternoon, okay? And spelling. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you in a little while, okay?
Okay, bye.